Yeah.
Hi. So I had to lose this in here, and mommy let me buy ice cream, but I thought this is just like 100, actual 100. So because mommy gave me 100, I go to Alphamart and I buy ice cream. I buy this, and I thought this is just 100, so I buy it. And the cashier said is 181.
Expensive area. Just an ice cream, 181 pesos.
I don't know.
Oh my God. Masarap pa.
Of course, it's cookies and cream.
Wow. Look at the lane of viewers. Let's eat ice cream.
Please let me have this star,
So that I can buy ice cream again.
so I can buy more expensive ice cream again. This is Gemma.
This is yummy.
Yes.
Ang mahal niyan.
I go back on the house just to mommy give me 63.
Say hi to your viewers.
Hi to the 100 viewers.
Hi, Ma'am Cheska. Ma'am Cheska, nanonood sa kain mo na ice cream. Na ang mahal-mahal ng ice cream. Non-stop lang yan ni Lia, no? Ba't ang mahal?
I don't know. This is yummy.
This is yummy, pero ang mahal naman yan.
This is Oreo ice cream. You can tell it in here. Oh,
Can I taste?
Dashi and college fighting. Yummy. It's like the cookies and cream that we buy.
Wala ka ng dinner.
Ah!
Mahal-mahal ng ice cream lang eh. Babalik-balik ka pa dito nang magpadagdag ng pera. Dapat iba na lang binili mo. What if wala na akong pera?
Eh di kukuha ko sa alkansya ko.
Ano ba yan? Hindi kaya maganda yan. Kung ano yung meron, pagkasyahin mo na lang. Don't do that again. Ha?
Look at the change.
Change ko to. Do that again.
Give me one.
Mapapalo ka na sa akin. Pag ginawa mo ulit yan, hindi maganda. Hi viewers! Hi to the G viewers!
It's for viewers now.
Let's eat ice cream.
Let's eat expensive ice cream.
Ganito yung...
Let's eat expensive ice cream.
Sana all kumakain na expensive ice cream. Dashi, kumain ka na doon.
I can eat this all day.
Lo, Ubusin mo yan? Isang kainan?
Yes.
Oh my God.
Yung nga, dati yung nagbili ka ng cookies and cream na ganito, inubos mo.
Anong inubos ko? Parang wala nang bukas si Elia pag bumili ng pagkain niya. Dashi! No! Dashi! Oy! May I taste ang ano, antigas.
Hi to one ice.
Anong one ice?
Look, it's one ice.
One viewer.
Look at it.
Kung ginawa ko na lang ito, marami pa. Next time, gagawa na lang ako, don't buy anymore. It's too expensive, Elia.
With that one? Where is the popsicle one?
Nandyan. Mas masarap pa yung gagawin ko.
Ano?
Diyan, sa ice cream na yan, wala pang walang 200. I tell you. Tawag si daddy mo para makita niya.
What's that? Give me star, please.
Hi, Teacher Dory. Ano pinili mo na viewers?
Eat ice cream. It tastes like Oreo mixed with vanilla. And it's so hard to no. It didn't fall. Fall is just this, but it doesn't fall the ground. What? Yummy. Hi to 3 viewers. I almost finished the half one. What is it? The viewers is like is nothing, and it's become 4, and it becomes 1, and it becomes 3, and it's become God. Please get me a star in here. Please give me stars. If you don't give us, I won't be sad. Oh my gosh, this is so many. I'm gonna be sick. Come.
Inuubos mo.
Yes.
No. Patingin, konti na lang yan.
Yes.
Oh my God.
Don't say the God word. Like, just say OMG or oh my gosh.
Wow. Takaw. Grabe yung ang dami mo nang pinagkakain ngayon. Anong ang oras pa lang? Inom ka ng tubig after. Tita Ethel, oh. Say hi to her.
Hi.
Hi, Tita Ethel.
Hi to the Adam.
Hindi ka mag-hi sa mga viewers mo.
My tongue is gonna be snow.
Kasi ice cream, gonna be snow talaga. Yan. Boba more. Drink more water after, Elia.
Okay.
Sino mga viewers mo?
Madami.
No, dami mong viewers sa pagkain mo ice cream.
Pero kapag nagbenta ka, mga 1, mga 4.
It's okay. Give me more. Give me
Ate
star.
Andrea.
Hi, Ate Andrea.
Hi, Ate Andrea.
Naka-chess ka, star talent ka pa. Na mag-vlog, favorite mo talaga yan.
Oh. Wala na kasi akong malalaking damit.
Ba't gusto mo na malalaking damit?
Ang init eh.
Wow.
Lang.
No. Naubos na? Uy, grabe ka. Paubos na talaga. Hindi ang mamagay.
Mommy just have to
Tatawa-tawa ka pa. Yan. Ubo pa more. Sakit ulo ko sa'yo. Ako, nagkakape lang ako.
Ba't ka nagkakape? Init!
Snap. Coffee is good for the heart.
Ice cream is good for the sun.
Ice cream is good for the sun.
And for the loose teeth.
Wow. Loose teeth. Grabe, walang 1 hour kinain. Non-stop yan na. 450 ml. Oh my God. Pwede ka talaga panlaban kumain na ice cream.
Done.
Lacey, oh my God. Oh, done.
Done.
Grabe. Grabe ka talaga. Ang laki nito eh. Oh my God. Ano next? Ano next kainin mo?
Rice.
Oy, wala ka ng dinner. Tigil-tigilan mo.
Yeah, Mommy!
Wala ka ng dinner.
No.
Grabe.
Busog na busog ako.
Busog na busog ka. Eh, ako nabusog lang ako nanood. Oh, thank you ka na.
Done.
Baka kulang pa.
True.
Ang kapal ng mukha nito. Kulang pa talaga yan.
Yes. Dapat ganito nga yung binili ko eh. Di ba ganito?
Oh. Yak, sa mukha mo talaga pag pagkain eh, no? Dapat ganun.
450 ml.
Si Ate Jaira.
Oh.
Say hi.
Hi, Ate Jaira.
Join daw siya sa video.
Okay. Hi. Yun. Late.
Ate Jaira, you're late daw.
Ubus na.
Grabe. 15 minutes mo lang yata kinain yan eh, no? Kulang pa ba? No. Saidin mo pa. Diyos ko, Lord.
Ading Ate Jaira. Sa tagal.
Ay, nako, Lia. Grabe ka. Papagulat. High-end dish. Showbiz. Hindi ka magsasalita sa live mo.
Sayang.
Ha?
Sayang.
Luy, said mo talaga. Oh my God.
Just wait.
Just wait kasi said niya yung ice cream. Kulang pa yata.
Sayang.
Sabi ni Ate Jen, ano yan? Sabihin mo kung ano yung kinain mo, tinatanong niya.
Ice cream.
Ice cream.
Ice cream na kulang.
Ice cream na kulang daw, Ate Jaira. Grabe, ice cream na kulang. 450 ml. Walang 15 minutes na kinain. Uy. Grabe yun. Kausapin mo na sila. Yummy.
Wait lang.
Uy, tama na yan. Wala na nga. Hindi ka naawa sa lalagyan.
Dapat naging clean yung lalagyan as you go. Di ba yung sinabi daw si clean as you go?
CR ka ba? Kakahiya. CR ka ba?
Sige.
CR ka yata.
There. Mami!
No, said na
Ay,
said.
wait lang, meron pa.
Uy. Said na said yung ice cream ng lechon.
Done.
Sa kanila ko.
Done. Simot na simot. Ha? Baka may gusto mag-donate daw ng ice cream namin ni Mami.
Ano ice cream ni Mami? Ice cream mo. Kasi magaling ka magkain ice cream.
Done. I clean as I go.
Grabe yan. Balik mo sa Alpha Mart. Sabi mo, refill.
Pa-refill.
Ay, naku.
Pa-refill.
Refill.
Pa-refill po. Tapos ibalik ko to. Balik ko to.
Balik mo saan? Mag-bye-bye ka na, hindi mo naman kinakausap.
Tignan mo.
Ito, binalik niya po. Ayan.
There. Pa-refill.
Nabalik niya.
Nabalik ko. Diba? Ganito dapat. Clean as you go.
Yeah.
Wait lang. Pinasan ko muna. Para clean na clean.
Yak, ipunas niya pa yung damit mo.
Yan. Clean as I go. No.
Say bye-bye.
Hi! Ano yan? Sino yun na nanonood? Si Ate Jaira or si Mami niya?
Si Ate Jaira.
She's got glitter of the skin, the radio skin of the light. I don't need no light to see you.
Kantahin mo nga yung kanta niyo dalawa ni Daddy.
The Arizona sky, burning in your eyes. You look at me and baby wanna catch on fire. It's buried in my soul like California gold. You found the light in me that I couldn't find.